Hey VanGang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess, and today's video is going to be another Fashion Over try on haul, and it's going to be like a hot girl summer try on haul because I got a lot of cute pieces, okay, and some of it is hot, okay, spicy, okay. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to see this. Okay, so this is the first piece, and this is actually shorts. Okay, I know it looks like a dress, but this is shorts, and I thought this was so unique. So this is the neckline, super duper cute, okay, and these are the shorts underneath. All right, so it looks like a dress, like a baby doll dress, and I thought this would be cute for a boat ride. Okay, so I don't really care for how it looks in the back, but I think I could work it out with the right type of hair and of course the right type of undergarments. But it's like really flary, girly, you know. So yeah, this is the first piece. Okay, so for this piece, it's a two-piece set. I don't want to show too much because my last video they will not place ads on it because they felt like it was like inappropriate. So I'm not gonna have my titties out or anything. But this is the outfit. So it comes with these pants, super duper stretchy. These are in the size 2X, and it comes with this jacket which matches, and I think this is the bomb ass, this is like a bomb ass set, okay. And this is what it looks like in the back. Okay, of course I'm gonna have the proper undergarments on, but I just wanted to show you, and I think this is a cute ass outfit. Again, this is something I'm probably gonna wear out like a boat ride. I've been going to the boat rides a lot lately, but I thought this was really cute. Okay, and this is in a size 2X. Super stretchy, super comfortable, but it's like really thick. Well, not really bit thick, but it's a really good quality material, so you don't have to worry about it ripping or anything like that. It's really good quality. Okay, so this is the next outfit. It's a jumpsuit, goes all the way down to the floor, and these are pants. I thought this was super unique, especially for me because I've never worn like a romper or a jumpsuit like this. But I thought that it had like a nice print that could camouflage, like, you know, my tummy area, which is my problem area. I think it actually looks pretty good. I would have to have somebody zip it in the back because it's not zipped all the way. But I think it looks okay. I think with the right hair, once again, right look, that I could actually pull this off. And this drops really low. That's why I have it like this. But I really like this outfit. Let me know what y'all think. I don't know. I kind of like it. So I have two pieces to show you. I'm gonna start with this, which is a t-shirt. It just says right and left, and I thought this was really cute. I think I might have got this in a 3X. Because I wanted the oversized look, but I'm not sure. Yes, I did. This is in the 3X. I thought it was cute. I wanted the oversized look, so I got it in 3X. Now, these pants are special because these are from the Cardi B collection. And as soon as I saw them, I was like, I need those candy pants. So these are like, oh my god, do y'all see these? Like, I didn't even think they was gonna have something like this in my size, but I actually like the way these look on. I probably would save these for something like something scandalous, like my birthday or something like that, like a special occasion. But the back of these pants, okay, so this is where it comes up to, and look at the back. Like, it has like this tie up in the back. It has pockets. It just looks really, really good in my opinion. It has some stretch to it. The only con I have is that it's also like this in the middle, so it kind of like, you hear it, like if you walk, you kind of hear that. But probably for some pictures or something, girl, these pants are bomb. Or if I'm gonna be sitting still. These pants are bomb. I just want to do a close-up really quick so you can see what the back was looking like, just in case you didn't see it. And the inside is lined, but I am really, really hot right now, so I would say this is definitely like a piece that you would wear in the winter and not in the summer at all. So these pants are next, and these are also from the Cardi B collection. This is the second launch that she had. These shorts are so fire. So y'all know these type of shorts are in the spandex shorts, but it has like the mesh at the bottom, and I just thought that would be super cute with an oversized shirt. But this is not the shirt that I would actually wear with these. But I will say that these are stretchy. These are really, really stretchy. It does have like a zipper in the front. So with these, I think I have them backwards. I think I have them on backwards, y'all. Yes, I have them on backwards, so excuse that. But these, I think I could have sized down to a 1X or maybe even a extra large. So these are really, really, really stretchy. So yeah, but these are so comfortable. They fit good, and I would definitely recommend these. Like, I absolutely love these. Like, love these. So these are the next jeans, and these are my favorite jeans. Y'all already know these are the Kanabi jeans, and I actually got 2 pair because they came out with more colors, y'all, and I have to own these in almost every color. Okay, they have neon yellow now, they have like a neon pink. Girl, they got flavors. These are my favorite jeans for Fashion Nova. But anyway, they have the dark denim now, so you know I had to get these. So the thing about Kanabi jeans are they're super stretchy, and they complement your body very, very well, and they have like this like slit right here on the knee. Okay, so I'm gonna turn around. Like, do y'all see this? Like, it looks so freaking good. Like, it looks so freaking good. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the last pair of Kanabi jeans that I got, and then I have a top. Okay, so these are the light gray pair of the Kanabi jeans. Looks exactly alike, you know, fits really good. Love them. Okay, so this next piece is a bodysuit, and it's denim, and I just absolutely love this. Like, oh my god. Now, I never go anywhere without a bra. I just wanted to see what it looks like, and I don't think it looks too bad without a bra. Like, I just have to do some, like, I just have to do a few adjustments, and I think I could actually rock this without a bra. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's denim, super stretchy. You do have to like put your feet in, and then it's a zipper in the back. So that's what it looks like in the back. And it is kind of like a thong, so it goes in your butt in the back. But absolutely love this, and I can't wait to wear this one. I don't even know what I'm gonna wear it with, but girl, I can't wait to wear it. So that is basically it for this haul. I hope you enjoyed. I will have the links to everything down in the bottom bar, and yeah, don't forget to use my coupon code, which is XO Vanity, and that information will be down in the bottom bar for you, as well as direct links. Okay, so I thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know what was y'all favorite pieces. Let me know if y'all want to try any of this. Did y'all like the Cardi B collection, #1 or #2? I know a lot of y'all didn't really care for the pieces that I got in my Cardi B 1 collection, but let me know how y'all feel about the pieces that I got from the Cardi B 2 collection. All right, let's chat down in the comments, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.